Dear students, today we are here on the topic of NCERT exercise 7.2, which is related to fraction. And today we are doing the topic that is fractions on number line. Okay? As you all know, in our previous chapters, we have understood how to draw number line, whole number, how to represent on number line, this we have done. Integers, how to represent on number line, that also we have done. So now we are doing the new concept that is fraction. So today we will understand how to represent fractions on the number line. I am telling you this is the easiest way how to represent fractions on number line. So let's begin. You are knowing we have understood three types of fractions. Most of the time we discuss only three types of fraction. First is proper, second was improper, third was mixed. So first of all, we will discuss how to represent proper fraction on number line. So let's take only two examples for understanding. One I will explain you, one you will do along with me. Clear? So one I am taking any of the examples. For example, I took 3 by 5. Okay? 3 by 5. So I am explaining you 3 by 5 and you will do along with me 4 by 7. 4 by 7 you will do, 3 by 5 I will explain on the board. Yes, so let's understand how to represent 3 by 5. Beta, it's so easy to represent any fraction on number line. First thing, fractions are not negative. So there is no negative part on number line. First thing, start from 0 always. Okay? Whatever is the base, like it's if here what is the base here, right? That means 5. Denominator is 5. So we will have 0 as 0 by 5. Okay? If suppose the base is 7, so what we will have 0 by 7, because 0 by 5 means also 0. 0 by 7 means also 0. And 0 by 11 is also 0 only. So either you write 0 by 5 or you write 0, both are same. Okay? So let's have this representation on number line. So सबसे पहले we will draw a number line. We will start from 0 and to 0 we will write it down 0 by 5. Why we are writing 0 by 5? Because we have base as 5. Okay? Now 0 के बाद what number comes? Which number comes? 1. So we will have here 1 by 5. 1 along with the base 5. Now 1 के बाद which number comes? 2. So we will have 2 by 5. Which is the number next? 3. So we will have 3 by 5. What is the next number? 4 by 5. Next number? 5 by 5. Next number? 6 by 5. Next number? 7 by 5. And next number? 8 by 5. 9 by 5. And 10 by 5. I am not increasing much more because the line is never ending one. So you can have it till 10 by 5 only. Now one more thing which you should always know, that you can have n number of fractions on one number line. Infinite. आप एक number line पे infinite number represent कर सकते हो, which are in the form of fractions. ठीक है? One more thing, 0 by 5 को you can write only 0. Fine. 5 by 5 is a whole number. One when you will cancel it, it will give you 1. So 5 by 5 you can write it down as 1 whole. 10 by 5. Can you tell me what can you write? 2 whole. 1 by 2 नहीं बेटा. See, 5 1 जा 5, 5 2 जा 10. 2 by 1, that means only 2. Clear? 15 by 5, what can come? 3. Then 20 by 5, 4. 25 by 5, 5. And 30 by 5, 6. Like this you can continue. Clear? Now what we wanted? 3 by 5. So where is 3 by 5? Here is it. Okay? So just mark it, write it down A. This is the complete process. How can we do? Pick. Which whole number can you see here? Oh, below all are fractions. But what are the whole numbers which you can see here? Please speak. 0, 0, 1, 2. There are 3 whole number which you can see on number line. Now see this, only 2 whole numbers, 0 and 1. Only we are observing right now 2 whole numbers. Can you see how many fractions are there in between? 1, 2, 3 and 4. But if suppose fraction 5 की जगह fraction का denominator 7 होता, तो यहाँ पर 6 होते. अगर 11 होता तब 10 होते, और अगर 12 डिनोमिनेटर होता तो 11 होते, और अगर 100 डिनोमिनेटर होता तो 99 होते, और अगर 1000 डिनोमिनेटर होता तो 999 होते. दैट मीन्स किसी भी दो होल नंबर के बीच में देयर कैन बी इनफाइनाइट फ्रैक्शंस यू कैन हैव. ठीक है, डिपेंड क्या क्वेश्चन हमको दिया गया. ठीक है, हाँ बेटा, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन डिनोमिनेटर या डिपेंडिंग अपॉन पार्ट्स, कितने पार्ट्स आपको करने. इसका आप एग्जांपल ले सकते हो. फॉर एग्जांपल लाइक अ केक. आपको एक केक में सपोज एक की पार्टी है, लाइक अगर कृष्ण कुणाल की पार्टी है और उसने 7 बच्चों को इनवाइट किया, तो वो 7 में डिवाइड करेगा उस केक को. लेकिन अगर वो पार्टी सनत की और सनत 100 लोगों को डिवाइड बुला रहा है, तो सेम केक सनत 100 लोगों को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेगा. और वही पार्टी अगर रिचा के घर में है एंड रिचा इज कॉलिंग सपोज 1000 पीपल एट अ टाइम, तो वही केक वो डिवाइड करेगी 1000 लोगों को, भले शायद लोगों को चखने के लिए मिले, है ना, बट शी कैन डिवाइड दैट. फाइन. So depend upon how many parts you want to make it. Clear? Let's have improper fraction now. Write it down the example. Now we are representing improper fraction. Improper fraction will also be done as we are doing the proper one. ठीक है, Mehul, please observe it clearly so that you can understand it. Improper, I am taking an example like 5 by 3. And you are going to do 15 by 7. Okay, you are going to do 15 by 7. I am going to tell you 5 by 3. Now look at here. Again we will have a number line. Now you are knowing what is the base? 3. So our 0 will become 0 by 3. So our first number will be 0 by 3. And 0 by 3 means 0 whole. Clear? 0 by 3 के बाद what comes? 1 by 3. What comes next? 2 by 3. What comes next? 3 by 3. 3 by 3 means 1 whole. Very good. 3 by 3 बाद 4 by 3. After 4 by 3, 5 by 3. After 5 by 3, 6 by 3. 6 by 3 means how much? 2 whole. Now 7 by 3. 8 by 3, 9 by 3. 9 by 3 means 3 whole. Now it is finished. Can you tell me what we were wanting in the question? 5 by 3. So just have this one. Give a alphabet according to your name. Now this process is completed. Now students, we are doing the third one, that is now mixed fraction. Okay, now mixed, you are knowing mixed is coming from improper only. So at any point of time mixed को improper बनाना और improper को mixed बनाना is the easiest part. ठीक है, so आप अभी right now we are doing mixed one. Suppose you have a question like 2 whole 2 by 5, or maybe I am taking another example as well, 1 whole 1 by 2. Just understand the process, how easy it is. Both are mixed. Yes. Mixed से improper बनाना, you know how to do it. Let's try. 2 into 5, 10. 10 into 12. What will be the number now? 12 by 5. Clear? What will come here? 2 ones are 2. 2 and 1, 3. 3 by 2. We have got this. Now you are knowing, abhi just before this question I taught you how to represent improper fraction on number line. So this is ultimately what? Improper only. So just now represent it. Let's try 12 by 5. So I am drawing a number line. This time you have a question 3 by 2. Very simple. है ना? चलो. So we are starting. This is the base 5. So we will start from 0 by 5. Then 1 by 5. 2 by 5. 3 by 5. 4 by 5. 5 by 5 means 1 whole. then 6 by 5, 7 by 5, 8 by 5, 9 by 5, 10 by 5 means 2 whole, 11 by 5, 12 by 5, 13 by 5 and 14 by 5, 15 by 5. 15 by 5 means what? 3 whole. Chalo, we have done it till here. Now can you tell me what we were wanting in the question? 12 by 5. So this is our 12 by 5. I am doing this. But tell me, do we really want 12 by 5 or what we want? We want 2 whole 2 by 5, not 12 by 5. So answer would be 2 whole 2 by 5 and give as A completed. It was easy or tough? It was also easy. Please draw this one on your copy. Just a second, beta. Just a second. Yes. 1 whole 1 by 2 you have to do. And I'll give you one more. 1 whole 1 by 2 के साथ I'll give you one more. 2 whole 3 by 2. Okay, let's understand NCERT question now. NCERT question number 1 says that you have so many numbers written on one question only to represent on number line. So that doesn't mean that you make one separate number line for each different one. No. Always remember, whenever you have fractions like 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 7 by 8, 5 by 8, all fractions are same with the same denominator, sorry. So they are like fractions. So when you have like fraction, you will represent everything on one number line only. Okay? Make one number line represent all, but give the points. Points means, for example, what will be the 0 base? 8. So it will be 0 by 8. First will be 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8, 4 by 8, 5 by 8, 6 by 8, 7 by 8, 8 by 8, 9 by 8. I am not taking much more 8. It's 1 whole, it's 0. Okay? Now see, what we wanted? 1 by 8, just a minute, Krishna. Give it A. Okay? What is next? 2 by 8. Give it B. हाँ बेटा? Different one will not be coming. No, that's it. Then you have different number lines for it. I have explained it to you how to do it. Now next is 7 by 8. 7 by 8 means C. And the last one is 5 by 8. That is D. Finished. Have you understood now? Yes. Now next pattern is of exercise 7.2, how to convert improper to mixed and mixed to improper, which we have already done. So I will just take it little bit in a faster way. Suppose you have a question like 15 by 7. You are knowing 15 by 7 is a improper fraction. Improper ko how to convert in mixed? Just you write it down 15 by 7 as 15 divided by 7. Now simply divide it. 15 will be divided by 7. 7 twos are 14. What is remainder? 1. 1 is remainder. 2 is quotient. 7 is divisor. And the formula for it is QRD. So Q means, what is Q means? 2. What is R? 1. What is D? 7. Finish. Understood? We have done this before also. Now this was the process how to convert improper to mixed. Can I give you one question? Try this out faster with this method only. Please try out 5 by 2. 5 by 2. Try this out and tell me the direct answer what will come. See, question was 5 by 2. The process will remain very easy again. 5 by 2 means 5 divided by 2. 5 will come inside, 2 will be outside. 2 twos are 4. 1 is remainder. R is this, Q is this, D is this. So 2 whole, 1 by 2. Finished. Okay. Time is going to be over. Yes. Wait. Now move on to the last pattern of the question, that is how to convert mixed to improper this time. So we have 3 whole 1 by 4, second one 5 whole 2 by 5, and third question 3 whole 2 by 7. Let's understand by me one, and then other two you will try it right now. Okay? For this one, what we do? We always multiply this two. Okay? Q with D. Q with D. 3 into 4. What will come? 12. Then add this one. 12 and 1, 13. 13 by 4. Denominator remains same only. Okay? Now look at here this one. 5 with 5. What you will get? 25. 25 into 27. 27 by 5. 7 with 3. 21. 21 into 23. 23 by 7. Now I'm giving some of the question to you. Do this one now. 10 whole 1 by 10. 5 whole 3 by 7. Try this out. For today, we have completed this exercise.